Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Midfield local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap midfield moving company means you need 3Movers. We know how to make your local or long-distance move simple. Our team has worked with corporate clients, private citizens, and even students when they need to move. No matter where you need to go, we can make the move easier. Whether you're moving one state over or across the country, we can provide the following options. Packing services. Need a full-service move? Let us do the packing and unpacking. Moving supplies. Looking for high-quality moving supplies? We have everything you need for all your items. An on-time move. Trying to stay on a tight moving schedule? Our movers show up at the scheduled time ready to get to work for you. Upfront pricing. Want a transparent moving estimate? We give you an accurate price. Licensed and insured. Need a trustworthy moving company? We protect all your things throughout the entire moving process. We know relocating is very stressful. Our team will take some of the stress away by handling the actual moving process. Let us make your long-distance move less overwhelming. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Midfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.